Hey family, so I am coming at you guys today live and direct just to tell y'all that I don't have no cooking video up. I don't have no cooking video for this week, y'all. So because I've been super busy this week, last week, the week before that, and all it takes is for you to get off track one time, and then it's the domino effect thing. So before I do that, I'm just going to gather myself, get back on track, and start fresh for next week, Wednesday. Because I'm not even going to go into that rant as to why I chose Wednesdays as the upload date, but we ain't getting into that. But yeah, y'all. So I'm coming at y'all today, dry-fisted, mustache popping, closure, good, the camera cutting it off. Closure lifting, got my hairline looking like Michael Myers, but that's all right, because it's coming out. And yeah, just wanted to give y'all an update that over here is about to go down. Your girl about to come at you with some videos. Period. I'm gonna start doing cooking because we in South Carolina. It already getting hot, so I'm gonna start doing some cooking outside. I got some stuff out here that I can cook. We gonna do a little field trip. Y'all want to do a little field trip? Let's do a little field trip. Let me show y'all all the stuff I got out here that we can cook with. And next week video, I don't know what it's gonna be yet, but it's gonna be with something out here. Okay, so stay tuned for it. But that's all I wanted. Let's go on the field trip. See you in the next clip. Okay, so first let me just say, excuse the areas I'm about to show because I'm doing some stuff back here. So this is the grill my husband got in the back. This is outside. This is a screen, so I'm inside. He have the grill back there outside, because that's why it's covered, because it's not under anything. So that's what he uses. That's his smoker. Then we have over here, y'all, I just knocked the flowers over. It's dying anyway, so I'm gonna just throw her away. I just got this. I had it now for a couple of months, but I just opened it and used it not too long ago. I opened it, I think, like last week, and just used it the other day. So this is an outdoor air fryer, you guys. It can air fry a whole turkey. I hadn't tried it yet with the turkey. I mean, I did air fry some wings and it came out really, really good. So, hold on, work with me, bear with me. Oh, sugar. So see, that's the baskets. It has multiple baskets, so you can air fry more than one. Like, you can air fry the chicken to the bottom and some vegetables to the top. It's huge, you guys. You can do a lot at once. Then I got some my burner, my two-eye burner over here. That's some dirty grease. I was frying some shrimp and oysters, so they have to throw out. It has to throw out. We not churches over here. We change our grease after every fry. And this is a pot, like a big, you could boil seafood in this. You can do some greens, anything you want in this. And I just always put an aluminum foil over. It's nothing in there. I just always put that so nothing from the outside. Because we outside, y'all. We outside. So none of the outside elements be sleeping in the pots and things. So over here is just my prep space that I clean off very thoroughly every time I use it. Disregard, because I'm doing some stuff. just a handy little deep fryer. You got all the charcoal grease and all the wood chips and things. And this is my what do you call it? The griddle, y'all. Is that what you call it? The griddle? Is that what this thing called? I can't remember. The hibachi stuff. The hibachi. See, my husband had to put cardboard under it because after we use it, even though it cools, for some reason, this thing here was sticking to the, grill. So, also we have a gas grill, but it's a round back covered up. So this is just some of the stuff, you guys, that I'm going to be out here cooking and, you know, showing y'all. I'm going to do a video on this next. Tell me what y'all want me to air fry. Tell me. Pancakes, cereal, chicken, butterflies, whatever you want me to air fry, I'm down for it, okay? And y'all, I must have it, because if y'all know me, y'all know I don't do bugs. I don't do bugs. And while I'm out here, they're gonna get it if they try to invade my space. Now, if they're, you know, if it's a little ladybug or butterflies, them about the only two things I get down with. Ladybugs and butterflies, y'all safe. Everything else is gonna get it. See right here? What are you doing? Why are you here? So yeah, y'all, so that's it. Just another little tour while we back here. This little sitting spot. Once again, we in the country back here. Over here's another little sitting spot with some fire pit. Disregard. I had to take my lights down because I'm putting curtains up. These are the rods I'm using, the tension rods. That's gonna go over this way. So I just had this down here. Oh shoot. This is a ghetto bootleg video, okay? So yeah. It's kind of disheveled and stuff back here because it was raining, the wind was blowing. So, and I like these little lanterns I got from at home. This video isn't about that, but it's just all over the place. Okay. So yeah, y'all, that's all I wanted. I'm not gonna keep y'all too long because I don't like how I look. I'm raggedy. The mask got my face. I hate these masks. I'll be so glad when this mask thing is over and we get back to normal living, to normal life, because I can't take it. I can't. So, give me 50 feet. Don't go come too close to the mug. Because I'm taking this out. Because I'm starting to see my hairline. And I'm not down for the Michael Myers hairline. This is why I don't like doing closures and frontals and things. Y'all, this video is supposed to be about food. I done talk about hair, the mask, my skin, furniture, patio. I love y'all. I know y'all love me too. But yeah, it's time for my overhaul, y'all. I'm going to get my toes done, my eyebrows arched. I got a hair appointment next week. It's time. And yeah. Oh, also, I will be in Houston next month, you guys. Yes, I'm going to go to Houston. So let me know of some good places to go to see different things, sightsee, whatever not. I will be going to the turkey leg hut. I don't care how long I got to wait. I'm gonna be at the turkey leg hut. Period. That's one of the places I'm definitely gonna go. Yeah, so let me know. And that's all I got, y'all. Sorry for the boo-boo video, but it is what it is. So I will see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to my sis Lisa D's Delights for sending them my way. And I'm gonna be back on the ball next week, y'all. Back on it, doggone it. I might even do a mukbang. If y'all want to see me get down on some food, I know I said I probably would never do it, but that's why you never say never. But if y'all want to see me get down on some of my food I cook, let me know. And I'll do a mukbang. I'll sit and chat and eat with y'all. I sure will. The mustache will not be invited though. She won't. I'll put on a little something, look a little cute. But you tell me if you wake up out the bed looking 100. You tell me if that's what you do. And I'ma tell you, you's a lie. Nah. How about that? Alright, let me go because I got stuff to do. I ain't got time to play with y'all all day. See y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.